Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this equation. Solve for x and graph the solutions. So we have 5 minus 2x is less than or equal to 11. So the first thing we're going to do is collect like terms in both sides of the inequality. So we can start by subtracting 5 from both sides, or just taking 5 for the other side. So we're going to have minus 2x less than or equal to 11 minus 5. If 5 crosses over, it becomes negative. So let us simplify the right-hand side. We're going to have minus 2x less than or equal to 11 minus 5, which is just 6. Then the next step is just to divide both sides by negative 2. So when you do that, on the left-hand side, you're going to have x, but because you have divided by a negative number, and the inequality sign will reverse, it will change direction. So you're going to have x greater than or equal to negative 3. So that is what we have. So to graph this, you just need to plot it on a number line. So we have the number line just going both directions. And then what we have is negative 3. So let's say that we have negative 3 at this point. And look at that, x is either equal to negative 3, meaning negative 3 is one of the solutions for this inequality. So you use a bold or a thick dot like that. So remember, negative 3 is included, but the other solutions are greater than negative 3. So all the values that are greater than negative 3 are towards the right. So you can test that using any other value on the side that we are headed to. So let's say we even check the next number will be negative 2. So you can check it using that. So if x was negative 2, you'll have 5 minus 2 times negative 2. And let us see if that is less than or equal to 11. So that will be 5 plus 4, which is 9. And if you compare the two, you find that the inequality holds. 9 is less than or equal to 11. So it means, therefore, that is the number line that we have. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.